Hello Team Awesome! Welcome back to the Project Awesome. So we're back with a new makeup tutorial. Actually, late upload na to, pero better late than never, diba? So if you wanna know how I created this bad girl makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so una maglalagay tayo ng primer. Ayan, lumilipad pa. So I'm just using my Celeteque 24-hour Photo Ready Primer. This is actually one of my favorite primers. Ginagamit ko din yan sa clients ko kasi nafe-feel niya yung pores. So parang ang smooth-smooth ng, ng texture ng skin mo. Next, we're going to apply foundation. At ang gagamitin natin is yung Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. After that, I'm going to conceal my under eye area using this Benefit Boi-ing Airbrush Concealer. I'm just applying that using this synthetic domed brush. And para seamless yung finish niya. Next, we're going to set everything using this Glory of New York Translucent Powder. Now, you can use other brands. Ito lang talaga yung favorite ko, pero sadly, discontinued na sila. So, ayun, iba na lang yung gamitin nyo. Anyway, next we're going to apply the brows. So, I'm using this LA Girl Gel Eyeliner in brown. Gustong-gusto ko yung pangkilay na pangmalakasan, parang Instagram brows. So, yan yung magiging base natin kasi later on, I'm going to set that with an eyeshadow na kakulay ng aking buhok. So, ayan, after ko na siyang ma-shape, malinis yung edges, ma-feel yung loob, I'm going to take my Nature Republic eyeshadow. Now, hindi ko alam kung ano yung shade name niyan, kung ano yung code niya, nakalimutan ko na. Pero yan lang yung ginagamit ko sa brows ko pagka ganyan yung kulay ng hair ko. Pag pink yung hair ko, diba nakita nyo naman kasing kulay niya na. So, I'm just applying that eyeshadow on top and voila! Pink na yung kilay natin! Now, we're going to do the eye makeup. First, I'm applying this eyeshadow base from Essence. This is the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. And then I'm taking that Fem Rosa by Colourpop, taking that shade at yan ang gagamitin nating transition color. I'm just applying that using a big blending brush para alam mo yun, mas madali yung trabaho, madali mo siyang mailalagay kasi malaking brush eh. Next, I'm taking that red eyeshadow from the same Colourpop Fem Rosa palette. I'm applying that using a smaller blending brush. Mas nagpo-focus tayo ngayon dun sa eye socket, dun sa lubog ng mga mata. Then of course, don't forget to blend it properly. And then I'm going to take this Jazzy Sleek Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I'm taking that shade of brown at yan ang ilalagay natin basically dun sa ibabaw nung red eyeshadow. I'm just applying that using a shader brush and then blending it out later on para mas flawless yung finish niya. Next, I'm going to take that black shade from the same Jazzy eyeshadow palette, applying that on a patting motion using a shader brush, and then I'm going to take a smaller blending brush para i-blend yung edges niya para walang mga harsh lines. Ayan! Next, I'm taking this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Nakalimutan ko na yung shade name niya. Lalagay ko na lang sa information box sa baba. Pero para siyang rusty yung shade niya. So, lalagay ko yan sa ating lower lash line, smudging that with a smudger brush, of course. And then, I'm going to take again my Jazzy eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use that maroon shade. At yun ang ilalagay natin na pang set nung Jumbo Eye Pencil. Pero dun sa outer corner, ayan, kung saan ko nilalagay yung shade na yan, naglalagay tayo ng black shade dyan sa parang outer half ng lower lash lines para mas intense yung dating niya at para, mas ma-deepen yung part na yon. And then I'm taking that shade from my Fem Rosa palette to highlight the inner corners. Para ba akong nagmamadali? Sorry, ganun talaga ako magsalita. Alright. Next, we're just blending the edges of the lower, makeup para smoky talaga yung dating niya. Now, it's time to tightline the eyes. Ito talaga yung favorite trick na ginagawa ko. Since wala akong eye pencil na sobrang intense yung pagka-black niya at mas tumatagal siya, ganito yung ginagawa ko. Kumukuha ko ng black eye pencil and then I'm dipping that into a black gel eyeliner and then yun yung pinang-tightline ko. Mas tumatagal siya at mas black na black or mas itim na itim yung dating ng eyeliner natin. Diba? Bongga! I love tight lining kasi mas nagiging fuller looking yung lashes at mas nagiging intense yung mata. Now it's time to apply the winged liner. The winged line I mean. So I'm just using my Maybelline Hyper Sharp Power Black. Favorite ko yan kasi very precise ng applicator niya. Manipis. So, you know, hindi agad makapal yung linya na magagawa mo. Now it's time to prep the eyelashes for Falsies. Kinurl ko lang yung lashes ko and then applying this mascara from Maybelline called the Falsies. Lagyan nyo rin yung bottom lashes nyo, of course. And then for the lashes, we're going to use this Lash Lab Manila in Mikaela 3D Mink. O, diba? Pang malakasan. Next, we're going to bronze the face using this Hoola bronzer from my Benefit Cheekathon palette. Gusto kong gumagamit ng malaking brush, parang powder brush na ganyan, pagka nagbo-bronze ako. Alam mo yun, para madaling trabaho. Now, okay sa akin yung ganyang technique since malaki yung face ko. Pero kung mas maliit yung face mo, gumamit ka ng mas maliit na brush. And then for contouring, we're using this Sooper Beaute contouring kit kasi sobrang favorite ko yung pang contour na yan. Dahil maganda yung shade niya na pang recreate ng shadows. Hindi masyadong warm, hindi masyadong ashy or grayish. Sakto lang talaga siya. Sakto lang. So I'm just contouring my nose using the same contouring powder. And then for the blush, this is one of my favorite blushes ever. So this is the EB Advanced Cheek Color in the shade Fig. And then for the highlighter, we're going to use one of my favorite highlighter palette, which is the Colourpop Gimme More highlighter. Kung gusto niyo yung parang wet look na highlighter, pero you know, hindi yung parang masyadong OA, yan ang highlighter na the best na gamitin nyo. I really love that highlighter palette. And then for the lips, I'm going to line first my lips using this Jordana lip liner in the shade Mulberry yata yun, yeah? Mulberry. Basta parang dark maroon shade. So, nilaline ko muna yung edges ng lips ko para may guide tayo at para mas mukhang fuller looking yung lips ko. Parang ganyan. And then, we're going to apply this NYX Full Throttle Lipstick. Again, nakalimutan ko yung shade niya pero ipa-flash ko somewhere here. Sorry, nag-record ako ng voice clip pero nakalimutan kong tignan yung mga products since late upload na to. Alright, so ayun na. Pagka-apply nyo ng lipstick, that's it. Mag-ayos na kayo. Suot nyo na yung mga pang bad girl damit ninyo at yung hair nyo, ayusin nyo gaya ng ginawa ko dyan. O, diba? Pak! Bongga! That's it! I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Sana meron kayong natutunan. Again, for the complete list of products that I use, just go to the information box below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, okay? Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one, you guys. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission. Bye!